Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So it has been a long time that I've been working on my Porsche 911 and I've had so much going on in the meantime. This is, I think, the third video in this little series, and this should be the video that has like the final product. Obviously it's not even put back together, not even fully wrapped. I still have a lot more to go before I get this thing back on the road. I have some other big crazy things going on right now, and I've had a lot of other stuff in between with like work, family coming in town, and like I said, there's other projects. But it's been crazy, it's been chaotic. This has probably, I think, been like maybe 3 weeks now that this has been like torn apart and I've been working on it. It's maybe actually longer, maybe by the time I get done with this, I don't know. But I really want to get this thing done in time for a car show coming up. And if you guys are watching this, that means I did go to the car show and I unveiled that, and that should be the next video on the channel, or maybe the one after. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. But in this video, I do plan on finishing up the car and getting it put all back together and looking amazing and ready for the road. Right now, obviously, I still have a lot more work to go, so I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down, get to work, and give you guys some updates as we go along. Also, after I do wrap the front fenders, I am going to put the new mirrors on. And yeah, just kind of slowly start putting the car back together. But like I said, stay tuned. This is going to be awesome, and the car should be done by the end of the video. Alright, so I think I'm pretty much done. I don't want to really give away too much of the wrap, but I still need to put a lot of stuff together, especially right here in the front area. And then when it comes to like putting the side mirrors and everything on, I do need to get those on, as well as like the wing and everything. Man, this looks so good. I cannot wait to have the whole car put back together. So there is a lot more stuff that I do really want to do, but with that event coming up, I don't think I'm going to have time, such as like all the decals and stuff. I'm not going to like plaster it with decals, but I still want to at least have like my YouTube channel just right along the front edge, and then maybe like a few other decals on like the side skirts. Just like some minor little touches, but I'm not going to be able to get to those just yet. Also, the move with this house, I still haven't even set up my vinyl cutter yet. A lot of my stuff is still boxed up, so I need to figure that out at some point. But for the most part, the car is done. I do need to add a couple pieces on the car, like such as like the hood, the mirrors. I think I might do a little bit of vinyl. The hood's going to get a little bit of vinyl for sure, but the mirrors, I'm still kind of debating on it. But so I'm thinking what I do is put the front end of the car together, get that all completely done, wrapped up. And then I still need to put like the wing on, the mirrors, put the door panels all back together. There's a lot more to do, but I'm trying to get it all done before this event coming up. But if you guys did go to the event and you guys did see my car, let me know what you guys think of it. But stay tuned in this video, because the kind of grand unveiling for people who haven't seen it yet in person is going to be at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned. But let me go ahead, get to putting this thing back together. There's a lot of work, but we're almost done. Alright, I've made so much progress on this, and I do need to go to bed right now. It's getting super late and I have a bunch of stuff going on tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap up for the night and show you guys a couple things before I do cut, because like in just like the next scene, I'm going to be putting the hood on. So before I go to bed and before I lose my train of thought, I do want to like show you guys a couple of the things I've done. I kind of put the back end together and added a couple things on here. I will say one of the upgrades going on the car will not be happening right now. There's a lot of like custom modifications I need to make, especially to some carbon fiber. So I'm definitely gonna take my time with that, and there's gonna be some drilling and mounting into the car's body. So I don't really, I mean, something small, don't worry. So yeah, that will be happening maybe in like an upcoming video, but yeah, right now, let me show you what I have put on. So I did get the wing put on. It is, yes, the exact same wing, same wrap and everything as before. It does kind of go with the current theme, but I am getting a new wing put on in the future as well. I just need to get the custom uprights made. So I'm working on that still. I'm just kind of slacking a little bit, been super busy. So I'm just leaving this wing for now because the bigger wing's going on. But moving up here, we have the APR Performance race mirrors, and these things are freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, that is real carbon fiber, and these things look insane. Man, look at that. Wow, I cannot believe these things are so freaking cool looking. Wow, I just love this so much. So it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and they're actually quite a bit bigger than like a lot of the other race mirrors. So let me know what you guys think of the race mirrors. Like I said, I still have to put the hood on, and then I'm going to add a little bit of vinyl on top of the hood and maybe some other spots on the car to kind of finish it up. All right, so I figured since I was doing something, in my opinion, is pretty cool. As you see, the carbon fiber hood is on the car. And what I have here is marking a center line, and then also have measured off on either side so that I can have the center stripe going right down the middle. And then obviously I'm running the knifeless tape. If you don't know what knifeless tape is, there's a little piece of string inside of this tape. I don't know if you can even see that or if it'll even focus on that. There you go. You kind of see a little string. So I'll lay the tape right along these little markers that I made, and then it'll curve right, kind of right under here, and then go back up this side. I can slap vinyl on there, and then I pull the string up through, and it cuts the vinyl on the car without using a knife. And that's how I make the stripe. And then I'm going to put the Porsche emblem on there, which I already have made, so I can just stick that on there when I'm done. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put the knifeless tape on. I just figured I'd show you guys, since a lot of people ask me how I do some of like the designs and whatnot. So yeah, that's how it's done. Alright guys, so this video has been like 3 weeks in the making, I think. Maybe 3, maybe a little bit longer. I don't remember exactly. It's been a lot. I've been doing a bunch of other projects at the same time as working on the Porsche, so it's been crazy doing a whole bunch of hardcore physical labor, also working with a bunch of different tradesmen who have done a lot of amazing work. So if you guys know who you are, definitely shout out to you. But I don't want to really say that just yet because it might spoil what the big surprise is. So, but the Porsche's done. It's all ready. It's cleaned up, ready for the car show tomorrow. But here it is. Alright, so this hood looks absolutely amazing. I don't know what's going on with the coloring right now, but it's like turning it red. But there we go. The hood, in my opinion, is like my favorite thing so far. It is from Darwin Pro. It is obviously all carbon. Has the little Nakaducks in here as well, which are also carbon. And man, this whole thing came out looking absolutely amazing. Especially the APR racing mirrors look so freaking cool. Let me know what you guys think about those. Man, those are just absolutely insane. And then I still have some more upgrades that are coming soon. Wasn't able to get this done in time for this event that's coming up. The event's tomorrow morning, but there is still some more mods coming soon, so definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so let me know what you think of the new wrap, kind of like the new livery. It's not as crazy and wild and over the top like as it was before, which I absolutely love that. Don't think I didn't like that because it was honestly my favorite thing, but I just wanted to do something more kind of clean, sleek, a little bit more high-end. I'm still going to add some decals, like my YouTube name right here across the front bumper, and maybe like a couple other just like little things, maybe like a little bit on the side skirt as well, and then obviously the big Porsche text across the back. So I will be adding stuff like that soon, as well as a couple other mods I didn't have time to really get on here just yet. But like I said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you'll see a lot more videos, especially with my Porsche 911. This thing is absolutely insane. It does have some wild backfires, so this thing is just so much fun, so exciting. And man, there's that new look. Let me know what you guys think about it. But like I said, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.